Hey, I'm Danielle Busby, mom of 1 5-year-old and 5 1-year-olds. And I am gonna show you how a couple little tips that I've learned, you know, over the last year with having 6 girls, that it's not always easy to have vegetables and everything. You can't just literally get them to eat veggies all the time. So we like to kind of hide it in as many things as we can. So we're gonna do a smoothie with lots of spinach. We're just gonna dump it all in here. Any vegetables, really. I mean, I've even thrown carrots in here before, and popsicles, and yogurt, bananas, any kind of fruit. There's a couple leftover strawberries. We can do strawberries. I have some yogurt. I mean, just anything. Frozen blueberries was kind of like putting ice in there. Hold yours, it's about to get loud. Blueberries, bananas, strawberries, spinach. Now we know we will get some veggies in them with spinach in their smoothies, and that we know in this house is a big hit. Mmm. Is it cold, Rabbi? Mmm. They good, hey, tomato? And this is how I'm gonna get spinach in these kids for years to come.